ever crave that crispy, juicy fried chicken, but feel guilty about the carbs? What if I told you there's a way to enjoy your favorite comfort food without breaking your keto diet? Welcome to our kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the best low-carb fried chicken that's so good, you won't miss the original. I remember the first time I tried keto fried chicken. It was at a family gathering, and everyone was skeptical. But once they took that first bite, the doubts vanished, replaced by smiles and nods of approval. Let's recreate that magic today. Alright, let's get started. Here's what you'll need: chicken drumsticks, almond flour, grated Parmesan cheese, eggs, and a mix of your favorite spices. These ingredients are going to give us that perfect crunch and flavor. Step 1. Prepare the coating. Narrator: in a shallow bowl, mix 1 cup of almond flour, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and a tablespoon of your favorite spices. I like to use a combination of paprika, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. This combination not only keeps our recipe low carb, but also adds a delicious nutty flavor. Step 2. Egg wash. Narrator: in another bowl, beat 3 large eggs. This will help our coating stick to the chicken and give it that golden brown color when fried. Step 3. Coat the chicken. Narrator: dip each drumstick into the egg washed, then roll it in the almond flour mixture. Make sure it's well coated for maximum crunchiness. You want to press the coating firmly onto the chicken, so it adheres well. Step 4. Heat the oil. Narrator: now, heat some oil in a large skillet over medium heat. You can use avocado oil or coconut oil as they have high smoke points and are keto-friendly. Step 5. Fry the chicken. Narrator: once the oil is hot, carefully place the coated chicken drumsticks into the skillet. Fry them until they're golden brown and cooked through, about 5-7 minutes per side. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry in batches if necessary. Step 6. Drain the excess oil. Narrator: after frying, place the chicken on a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. This keeps them crispy and not greasy. And there you have it, folks. Crispy, juicy, low-carb fried chicken, perfect for any meal or snack, and guilt-free. For an extra kick, you can add a teaspoon of cayenne pepper to the almond flour mixture. If you prefer a more herbaceous flavor, try adding some dried oregano or thyme. Want to bake instead of fry? Preheat your oven to 450°C and place the coated chicken on a wire rack set over a baking sheet. Bake for 25-30 minutes, flipping halfway through until golden and crispy. Now, the best part, the taste test. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And as a special thank you, if you subscribe, you'll get a free book, Easy Fried Chicken Cookbook, 50 delicious fried chicken recipes. Just hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends.